Hello again and welcome back to my channel, Bliss in the Chaos. My name is Dara. I run my stores, Bliss in the Chaos, on eBay and on Poshmark. Today we're doing yet another jewelry unboxing from shopgoodwill.com. This one came from Pennsylvania. Again, this is the same one, the same store area as the last video that we did. This one is a little bit different. The shipping weight was 7 pounds. But the actual pound here, jewelry grab bag, rhinestone and crystals, 5 pounds, 11 ounces. I paid shush a second, honey. I paid $28.98. Tax was $2.42. Shipping and handling, $11.23, for a total of $42.63 for 5 pounds and 11 ounces. That's approximately 5.75 pounds. So I used that 5.75 and got $7.41 a pound. A little more than I like, but hey, it said rhinestones and crystals, so that seems like fun. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. All right, let's see what we have. Oopsie, I moved my camera. Okay, we got some paper. We got this lovely, shiny bag of jewels. Ooh, look how shiny. I love it.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, Evelyn.
I found my outfit in the closet.
Why'd you do that?
Because I'm too small to get it.
Oh, well, I'll get it for you later, okay?
Why?
Because I'm busy right now. Hang on a minute. We're gonna open up this bag, okay?
Okay.
Ooh, look how pretty. Lots of rhinestones and jewels, and everything is so nice. Let's get in here. Take a peek at what we have. There we go.
Is this something inside to have?
Just a minute, Evelyn. Alrighty. Look at these beauties. Aren't those great? Those are just fantastic. Let's dig in. Okay, excuse me, Evie. Let's take a peek at what we have. Back up. Hey, I don't want to run over your foot. Okay, here we have this lovely faux pearl dangle with the black beads, the black bit and the rhinestones. Here's a stretchy bracelet. It's lost a little bit of its stretch, but it's not bad. These are like crackle beads. They're crackly, but they are plastic with some wood. Really nice. Hang on a minute, Evelyn. Oh, these are fun. A couple shades of blue and white rhinestones. This is a pendant. It's a silver tone with the red. Here's another stretchy bracelet, silver tone with the light blue faceted gems. Here is a teardrop shaped dangle. And it's got this disco bally guy. Ooh, very cute. I like that. Dark like gunmetal color. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh. Come on, buddy, out of here. Oh, hey, look. We have dug out the match to the one we just had. And this lovely little necklace is gold tone unmarked. Lovely chain with this beautiful puffed fish pendant with this big old rhinestone, a bunch of little rhinestones, a black eye, and these enamel fins that are articulated. Oh gosh, this is cute. I really like this. Not marked. Another stretchy bracelet. Oops. These more matte aqua, and then these shimmery faceted guys. Gosh, that's pretty too. I tell people all the time I'm a sucker for shiny. These are shiny. Here's the match to that. Okay, making sure I'm still recording. I'm so... Okay. This guy, it looks like he needs to be fixed. He's magnetic. the big old rhinestones, black colored wire, and you see how the magnet is kind of off of that. It needs to be glued back into this one, but it's a magnet clasp and I will definitely fix that. Oh, this is lovely. It's a stretch bracelet, silver tone with rhinestones and the green gems and the red gems. Let's do a quick once over on this guy. Needs to be cleaned a little bit. I see some verdigris there. But that's beautiful. Looks pretty good unless I missed anything. Don't think I did. Yeah, I can clean that up. Maybe restring it. It's a little bit loose. Here's a pendant. This lovely gold tone. Heart pendant with a little gem in there. And these are the ones you want to look closely at. It doesn't say anything, but set that to the side. And just for fun, I'm going to turn on my gem tester and test that in just a moment. What's this? We've got a big old pin. Wow, this is heavy. It's Swarovski. Let me see. You see the Swarovski swan right here? And it's got the little gem. Beautiful Swarovski. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that is beautiful. It's like a deep teal enamel type work underneath. It's like Saturn with moons and stars. Wow, that is gorgeous. I love that. It's got a little drop gem. This lovely, definitely faux. It's like a crown setting and the rhinestone is all big. That's pretty. Super duper pretty. Oh, here's a silver shell. It's Monet. Cool. Nice Monet shell. It's gonna come out easily. Let's try this one. Okay, so this lovely necklace is gold tone and just a nice chain of rhinestones. Make sure they're all there. Twisted, of course. Shiny train of gemstones. Yep, they're all there. Gorgeous. Clean. Gotta love it. Okay. Now this guy is tangled a bit. Let's see what we can do. Okay, there we go. Ooh, the plot thickens. Okay, here we go. Now, this is, oh, check it out. It's like an adjustable leather cord. That's weird. I don't think I've ever seen that on a necklace, but it's cute. Okay, so anyway, turn it right side up. Oh, it's missing the inside of this one. Here we got some beautiful like opalescent there and like this rhinestone and then this cluster flower of rhinestones. That's really pretty. Oop, looks like we found it. Bing. That's very cute. I can fix it. I can fix it. Oops. Okay, my gem tester is on, so just for fun, I'm gonna look at it. Get this pendant. Ignore my children. Nah, it's just glass. Of course. That's pretty though. I like it. Okay, what's coming up next? Here. Open earring. It's kind of worn out. It's a silver, dark silver tone with a scratched up faceted gem. It's really worn out. I think I'll just lot that. Ooh, look at you. This one, oops. Of course, gold tone. Sorry, the kids are screaming at each other. My cat was up here. Darn cat. Okay. Yeah, look at that. That's really gorgeous with the gold and all these different faceted gems. Very sellable. Here's a stretchy bracelet. Got some plastic beads, a couple wood ones. This is an earring. It's a dangly gold tone with the black faceted gems stuck in there. Okay, Cooper. Oof. I love you, Cooper. See you later. He wants to cuddle. I don't have time at the moment. This is like a rose gold chain with all these beautiful little pink faceted gems and a few of these little round ones. I recently figured out what these are called, but I of course forgot what they're called. Okay. Another stretchy bracelet. Oh, gorgeous colors. It's like this really light purple and this really light pink. And these silvers, and then this little cluster of gems holding them together. So pretty. We have here a dangly. These are glass. It's really pretty. Purple. We got just a little flower ring, adjustable. Kind of cute. Kids are crazy. I think this one is broken. Usually something I can fix. Boys, honeys. It's usually something I can fix as long as the things are still there. Oh yeah, this will be easy. It's just missing a, yeah, we are just missing a jump ring right there. God, that's pretty though. Isn't that sweet? I love the purple. I can fix it. Excuse me, boyos, please keep it down. Thank you. This is a bracelet or an anklet. I think it's probably just a bracelet. Yeah, because you can make it tighter. And it's got these fabulous shiny beads and this little butterfly. And she's gonna come down here. There we go. What is that? That's a Jesus fish, right? I think so. Excuse me. Okay, I am back. Evelyn was in desperate need of a nap, so we got her put to bed. Okay, here's that match to that earring. This is a necklace that matches that earring. That one. That's cool. That's adorable. Looks like it's missing a jump ring here at the end though. See how it's just kind of in the wire? I'll need to add a jump ring. So that won't be hard. This is a cute little blue gem dangly earring. Here is a cross pendant. Rhinestones in red. Not marked. Pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Boop. Come on. Now this is a gold tone bracelet, and it's got the little rhinestone pieces holding all the links together. It is really pretty. And it does not appear to be marked, but that's pretty. Okay, this is a silver tone. Very pretty necklace. Oops, I got it upside down again. No, I don't. Okay. So the ones by the neck are fake. They're just shined up metal. But as you get down here, we've got the rhinestones all over. Really pretty shape. Swoopy little wavy. cursory first glance does appear to be all intact. Pretty. Little dangle earring, pink. Got this rose gold. This has got to be an anklet or a bracelet, I suppose, but it's kind of large. And it's rose gold with very pretty rhinestones all over. It's a lovely pendant. Big ol' blue heart with rhinestones all around. Okie dokie, we have a small mess of wire. Okay, that. Really pretty colors. Okay, there. Okay, good. Now it is the coated wire with the clear faceted gems and blue faceted gems, little disco balls at the bottom. It's really very pretty. Okay, this lovely little chain, silver tone, and the pendant looks like a mother and a baby, or a dog or something. What do you think? Is it a mother holding up a baby? And it's got a little heart dangle in the middle, rhinestones. It's kind of interesting. We've got a pendant with the blue and the clear. We've got a small disco ball earring. Here's the other earring, so we have a full set. Earrings and a necklace that look like that. This guy has another blue gem with some rhinestones. Necklace. Ooh, this one has a tag. NRT. Silver, and then it's got this lovely pendant. The top part is a silver with rhinestones, and that's the little bottom piece is a gold, like open work. Very pretty. Okay, this lovely also has a dangle. Let's see, RMN. These lovely beads, purpley colored, multi-purple tone. This guy is beautiful, long. Look what we dug out. Here's another earring. This one's gold. And we've got a long silver tone chain, and the pendant is like chevron silver with some gems, and it's missing a gem there, but I have one to replace it, so I will fix that. Okay, what else do we have in here? Okay. Oh, the thing we first pulled out. We have a mate to that. This lovely little ankle bracelet with all these little gems. Pinks, yellows, white, some purple, blue. It's got a little hidden clasp. That's pretty. Very nice. Yeah, I like that. In here, we have a mate to that as well. Okay, come here. There. These are some gold tone with silver glitter hoop earrings. They appear to be in good shape. Nice. Yeah, those are nice. Ooh, look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful earring. Oh my goodness. Oof. We've got a small dot right there, but I don't think that's anything. I think it's just, they're just unmarked. Here's the mate. Those are beautiful. Okay, now, okay, this is a couple of different ones. Okay, we've got another gold tone with rhinestones. This one is a funky one, but hey, I'm gonna do a quick look-see to make sure they're all there. Yep, they sure are. Awesome. Alrighty, and this one, okay, interesting. Let's figure this out. Okay, here's the clasp. Wow, this is interesting. I think there is certainly something amiss with this one. One, the extender is super long, but it's gold tone with all the rhinestones. It's very, very pretty, but it's strange. Like it's not, it's like supposed to be symmetrical, but it's kind of not symmetrical. Maybe it is. And then these, are they supposed to go like that, or are they supposed to meet? I don't know. That's strange. But who am I to judge? Let's look at this guy. This one is marked Express. I can see the tag here, but we've got to untangle this buddy to figure out what we have. That can go there and there. Oh, two. This one is Express. There's the little tag right there. Express. It's a light gold tone. Gold and silver drops. It needs to be shined up, but that's pretty. This one, I like that. This one isn't marked. Yeah, that's pretty. I like it. Fashion jewelry. Those are fun. These lovely drop earrings. Very cute. This is a stretchy bracelet. Multi-tone faceted gems. Hinged cuff with red enamel. This is orange enamel. A lot of rhinestones in there. Quite lovely. This one is also a hinged cuff. Giant pink gems. Silver tone. It's in good shape. This earring here is very cute. It's got a hinge. My goodness. You put this post through your ear, shut it like that. Does not appear to be marked, but it's got a little green gem. So pretty. Here we have a delicate chain with a dragonfly on the end. Gems for wings and a body. Super cute. Love it. Little bow ring. Silver tone adjustable. Super adorable. My goodness. Okay, so this is a 3. So here's the jump ring at the end. So it's a 3-tier strand, 3-strand necklace. These are just plastic, little opalescent beads with the shinies. That's gorgeous. Here's the mate to the green one. Here's a silver tone earring with a rhinestone. This necklace. Okay, yeah. So it's a silver tone chain and then the 2 tiered gems there. This pendant. Ooh, look at the shine. That is sparkly. Got a little bit of a chunk taken out there. It's all right though. It's pretty. It's really pretty. That deserves a really pretty chain. I like it. Nice and heavy, gold tone. Gems. This needs to be restrung, but it's silver. Really pretty work. Little rhinestones all over. Don't see a marking, but I can restring that. It's very beautiful. There's some dangly green ones. Ooh, this is fun. Look at that. That's very fun. Got the orange and the blue and the white with alternating gold, rhinestone, gold, rhinestone. Excuse me, goodness gracious. And a nice wide chain. Oops, this is broken. Need to throw a new lobster clasp on that. That's not difficult. I can fix it. This lovely guy says, shine, believe, shine. It has these G's and E's on it. Oh, and it's like pony hair. Huh. GWGW. Who is that? I'm going to have to look it up. Good Works, it says. It's already marked. I don't even have to figure it out. Good Works. That's neat. Look it up, sell it. Here's the mate to this lovely blue gem earring. Missing a rhinestone, I can fix that. Oop, here's the match with a little bit of bonus hair. Come here. Come here. Okay, here's the match to this rhinestone earring. This lovely little necklace, look at that. It is gold tone, unmarked. Super cute though, look at that. This is a little crooked. Maybe I can heat gun that off and put it back on. I don't know if I will, but I could. Ooh, more and more. Okay, this little necklace, fashion jewelry necklace, is silver tone and it has dolphins and a little gem. That's adorable. We have the mate to that blue gem earring. Here's a dangle earring with green and some work there. Some little like silver work bead. This chain is filthy. This is an rag, R-A-G. Or is it D-V? No, it's R-V-G for sure. R-A-G. Doi. I need to clean this chain, but the pendant is very lovely. Cleaning pile. Some lovely large pieces here. It's a nice coated wire. And these are like... Your feet got Pop-Tarts on them. Parenting. Wow, did you clean them?
Yeah.
Good job. This needs to be cleaned, but it's pretty. Okay, honey. Okay, this one. This is a lot like that. Was it green? What color was it before? Yeah, it had like a greenish finish. It's a lot like that one. It's pretty. It's kind of like lotus flowers, you know? I like it. Gold and black. Here's the earring. The other one I put in the craft lot because it's a little worn out and the other gem is very scratched. So they went in the craft lot. This lovely is a little bit busted. We need to get a new jump ring for this. part right here. Not bad. Should be easy fix. Just a jump ring. It's a necklace. This has got to be like a whole set. Like we had that ring too. Maybe the ring is not part of it, but still. We got this lovely little set. It's adorable. Shiny. Oh, this is nice. It's an elastic ring, so it'll fit anything, almost anything. Many rainbowy gems there. We have the mate to this earring in there already. Here's a stretch. This, I'm going to call this an anklet because it is rather large for a bracelet. But it's got a butterfly dangle. Very sweet. Ooh, this matches the earrings, I think. It definitely needs cleaned. Holy cow. But it's very wavy. That's really beautiful. Besides being dirty, it's in pretty good shape. I will clean it. Okay, we got this beautiful pendant. It's like a light gold tone with all the rhinestones. Gorgeous pendant. This one's very delicate. It's marked RJ on the back. Very delicate silver tone chain. That's it? That's the pendant? Huh. All right. Pendant's a little boring for the delicate chain, but whatever. Here is a gorgeous gold tone. This is going to be hard. Okay, let's look at these. Little set of earrings here. Little round ones with a bunch of rhinestones. They appear to be complete. Beautiful. Oh, that's not too tangled. It is a heart pendant in gold tone with this topaz colored gem. Oh, and this is Avon. Lovely little gold chain, very pretty. That's very nice. And this lovely, let's find the end of it. Oh, here's one end. I wonder it was so tangled. All right, so it appears to be two of the same. So here's the end of this one. Okay. With both shiny and glittery gold balls. It needs to be re-crimped. That's all right, that's easy to do. A little dirty, needs cleaned. We'll definitely do that. Here we go. Okay, there we go. And this is the same one. Yeah. Very nice. Pretty. Understated and simple. Okay, here we have this lovely heart. Needs shined up. I think it's a little bit scratched, but it's, well, maybe not. Might just need shining. Rhinestones are good. Got a serpentine silver tone chain with some fuzz in it. Really? Oh, actually, it appears to be remnants of a price tag. Anyway, NW is the tag. Pretty. Ooh. So this has a satin ribbon tie. The remnants of a price tag. Oh, we got the mate to that earring. This one should be a little easier to take off. There we go. Yep. And it's gorgeous. Look at like the gray tones and the really pretty faceted gem beads. That is really pretty. I like that a lot. Stay. Okay. Here's a lovely pin. That's cute. Has some resin work. Some gems in there. Lucinda. Designs by Lucinda. Lucinda.com. It's pretty. Interesting pin. And some super dangles. Blue tone wood bead there with some silver and then the dark blue faceted. Lovely. This baby. My goodness. Okay, there we go. Wowza. Isn't that fun? It's a little bit scratched, but it's not bad. That's beautiful. Let's see who the maker is. The linked C's, I am pretty sure. Is that Charming Charlie? Maybe, because there's no way in heck this is Chanel. That's pretty. I like that. Come on. Okay. Look at that. Shiny, beautiful. Orange and yellow. Here's our mate to our lovely pink gem earring. A few more things in here. Dumping the bag out. Good, bag is finished. Here we have a little stick pin with a big rhinestone. It's lovely, like a little stick pin. This is a glass necklace with a thingy attached. Okay, so let me put it back together here. Come on. My thumbnail is short and it's not working very well right now. I busted on something earlier. Okay, so this is really short. Glass beaded necklace with this lovely glass pendant on the bottom. Beautiful. Hey, this is like a chandelier gem. That's neat though. That is glass. That's nice. It's a nice gem. Here we've got some beautiful dark silvery ball dangle ball earrings. Oh, we got the mate to that in there too. It was one of the first things we pulled out, I think. Here is the mate to the dangly green one. Oh, look, another bow. Only this one is red with the silver chain. Probably some hairspray residue on that. I can clean that. Oh, I suppose I could make earrings with these chandelier gems. Oh, it's stuck in there. Why are you stuck? Why you gotta be stuck, buddy? Okay. This way, this way. Come on. There. Don't those make beautiful earrings? Okay, we've got this really pretty brownie, topazy, faceted, wrapped wire, coated wire necklace. And the last one, oh hey, a jump ring. That's probably for that one. Yeah, this is all junk. Yeah, that's all detritus again. And this one's lovely. These are glass. You can tell by how they clink. They are faceted and multicolored on a gold chain. And the The clasp is marked something or other. Let me look. Hey, it says 925. I love those gold tone 925s, right? Oh, those are pretty. Gosh, it's so simple but elegant and so gorgeous. Oof, I like it a lot. Do you guys have a favorite piece out of this lot? I mean, it's a smaller lot, and I kind of like those too because you can easily remember the pieces as you're watching the video, going through the video. I mean, there's not so much, but yeah, this is a gorgeous lot. I am very, very pleased with it. This and the last one, very, very nice. I highly suggest it's like the Southwestern or something, Pennsylvania lots. So far, so good. I have one more. It's larger. I think it's 16 pounds to go through later. But I'm super glad that you guys joined me. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I really hope that you subscribe if you liked it, because I do these videos like all the time. Usually every other day I post one, and I like having you here. So I hope to see you again. Bye now. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. I've put links to my Poshmark, eBay, and anything else that may be of interest to you down in the description.